Hey everybody, doing a PS3 unboxing of WWE 2K15. Just came out recently. I also got a DLC code because I pre-ordered it, which the DLC code is playable character is Sting. It was just on the receipt, so there's nothing to show for that. They only put them on the receipts now. So there's a disc and the book here. It's a little thick, so there must be something in here. Oh, they show getting started. Some screenshot. Can't tell who it is. Controls. Just that kind of stuff. I think that's it. Yeah. And on the back they show wrestlers for the Elite Collection. There's Dean Ambrose, The Rock, Jey Uso, Vader, pretty cool one with the mask on, Kane and Jimmy Uso. So that's the book, and I'll show you the back of the case here. There's Cena. He's got Bray Wyatt there, Triple H and Shawn Michaels, and can't tell who the other two are there. And you got Bray Wyatt over here as well. Exclusive, Who Got NXT mode. The rising stars of WWE make their video game debut in the exclusive Who Got NXT mode. Play through epic matches as these stars transition from NXT to the bright lights and big stage of WWE. Introducing 2K Showcase. Relived the groundbreaking rivalries of John Cena vs. CM Punk and Triple H vs. Shawn Michaels in a new single-player campaign told through your gameplay and historic WWE footage. Improved graphics, new lighting systems, and character models bring your favorite WWE superstars and divas to life like never before. WWE Universe, take control of WWE as your actions shape your universe storylines, schedule, rivalries, alliances, and more. Creation Suite, create and customize your own superstars, arenas, championships, and more. So the game is going to be pretty good. You got the updated roster and everything as well. I'm sure they'll have new characters to buy and unlock also. Be exciting to play as some of the wrestlers that haven't been in yet. And the Sting DLC will be a fun one as well. If you're a wrestling fan, you should pick it up. Get lots of cool wrestlers in here. I'm sure there'll be some legends as well. Thanks for watching, everybody.